Students, in our last video we have seen our practice set second and practice set third. So please pay attention. Today we are going to learn, that is to construct a triangle given two angles and included side. It means in our first video we have seen how to construct it means two sides are given and one angle is given. We can draw, it means we can draw the angle with the help of protractor, then after compass, using this instrument. Today we are going to learn to construct a given triangle, that is two angles are given and one included side is given. Now pay attention what things we have to see today. First example is given in front of you just like this. Okay, suppose triangle ABC is given in front of you. Triangle ABC. Okay, now pay attention. Length AB is equal to 5.2 centimeter. Angle A is equal to 70 degree and angle B is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now figure is given, example is given in front of you just like this. Triangle ABC is given. So pay attention. Today we have to see to construct a triangle given two angles and included side. It means only one side is given in front of you and two angles are given. So only one side is given. We have to draw first rough figure. All of you know that it is very important to draw the rough figure. So pay attention how to draw the rough figure. So line AB or length AB is given. So we have to take AB at the basement. Okay, AB, that is 5.2 centimeter. Using the scale we can easily draw line AB of 5.2 centimeter. Angle A is given 70 degree. Now we know that 70 degree, it means this is the acute angle. So this is your 70 degree angle, that is A, and 40 degree angle B is given. 40 degree, it is also your acute angle triangle. It means you have to take 40 degree in this way. So you can draw just like this. This is your 40 degree. So A, B and C, our figure is just like this. Now pay attention. First of all, we have to draw the line. It means line AB is given. So line AB 5.2. So with the help of scale, take 5.2 measurement. Okay. So give the name, that is A and B 5.2 centimeter. Now next thing is there. Angle A is given 70 degree. Now all of you know that how to use the protractor. This is the protractor. Protractor is given in front of you. If you observe, the protractor have the number just like from this side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 up to 180. And from this side also 0 to 180 numbers are given. So how to use these numbers we have seen in 5th standard also. We see that how to use the protractor. Now our angle A is 70 degree. So put your protractor on angle A or point A. So that is 70 degree. So take measurement of 70 degree or mark the distance of 70 degree. Okay, with the help of your protractor. Now 70 degree we can get it. So draw a line of 70 degree. Okay, now if you observe angle B is 40 degree, you have to put your protractor in this way. Okay, just like from A you have to put your protractor right hand side, and from point B you have to put your protractor left hand side. We have to see the number from the left hand side. Left hand side number is there 10, 20, 30, 40. Acute angle, it means acute angle is in this way. So that's why we have to draw first rough figure. So with the help of rough figure you can easily draw the fair figure properly. So we can put our protractor point on point B and take measurement or mark the point or mark 40 degree distance. So we can mark it with the help of scale. Join the line. 40 degree angle you can get it. So join the line in this way. So our figure is just like this. You can get one point, that is point C. This is your 70 degree angle and this one your 40 degree angle. It means what? With the help of scale, protractor and pencil, we can easily draw or easily construct the triangle, that is given two angles and included one side. One side is there, that is 5.2 centimeter. Angle is there. So if you observe side AB is given, it means A and B points are there, ending point A and point B. So angles also, angle A and angle B is given in front of you. So angle A 70 degree we can draw with the help of protractor, and angle B, that is 40 degree, again we can draw with the help of protractor. So you can easily got it, the triangle, how to draw the triangle, that is two given angles and included side. Next one thing, pay attention properly, we have to see, that is to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Hypotenuse means what? Right angle triangle is there. So you have given the hypotenuse measurement, that is hypotenuse means what? 90 degree angle is there, and in front of the 90 degree angle whatever side is included, that side is called as hypotenuse side. It means what? We can see the example of practice set 5. First example, triangle MAN, measure of angle MAN is equal to 90 degree, length AN is equal to 8 centimeter, and length MN is equal to 10 centimeter. Now pay attention, already we have to construct, that is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means already this angle measurement is 90 degree. So this is given in our example, length AN 8 centimeter and length MN, that is 10 centimeter. It means one side and hypotenuse side is given. How that sides are given? So we have to draw first rough figure. Pay attention properly to the rough figure. Okay. Side is given, that is angle A is started, angle A is 90 degree. So we have to take line in this way, that is from starting by point A. Line AN we have to take at the basement. So don't see that whatever bigger line, bigger measurement is given 10 centimeter or 8 centimeter. So you can easily find out that MN, that is 10 centimeter. But don't take 10 centimeter at the basement. You have to take 8 centimeter AN. Why 8 centimeter? Because we have to draw angle A 90 degree. And by starting the point A, our line is AN. That's why we have to take AN as the basement. That is AN is equal to 8 centimeter. Now angle A is given 90 degree. So take your protractor. It means whenever we can draw our fair figure, that time we are using the protractor. With the help of protractor, we have to draw 90 degree angle in this way. Okay, this is the rough figure, so not necessary if any mistakes are there. Okay, so angle A, that is 90 degree. Now if you observe M and N, you know that angle A is 90 degree, N is here. So your M point you can get here. So your MN, it means your hypotenuse, that is 10 centimeter. So your MN can occur in this way. This is your 10 centimeter. In this way we have to draw the figure. It means we have to put our compass point on N. We have to take measurement of 10 centimeter in our compass and draw an arc in this way. Then after we can draw the figure. Now pay attention properly how to draw our fair figure. AN we have to take basement. With the help of rough figure, it is very easy for us to draw the proper figure. AN is equal to 8 centimeter. So put your scale properly and take 8 centimeter measurement and draw the line of 8 centimeter, that is AN. So give the name AN is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, now angle A is 90 degree. So with the help of protractor, we have to draw angle A. So put your protractor point on A, take measurement of 90 degree, put the mark there, and then draw the line 90 degree angle. It means first of all we can draw the 90 degree angle. This is your 90 degree angle. Now you know that you can get the point M here. So you have to take 10 centimeter in your compass. Now take your scale in your hand, take 10 centimeter in your compass, 10 centimeter measurement properly in your compass. And we know that how to take 10 centimeter measurement. You can easily see in the video that how to take the measurement of 10 centimeter. Okay, now don't change the measurement. Put your compass in your hand, put your compass point on N, and you have to draw an arc in this way. Okay, so don't overdraw the arc. You can get the point here. So join the point, that point and point N. and give the name to that point is M. So this is your 10 centimeter. So in this way we can construct a right angle triangle, that is one hypotenuse means what? MN. Whatever right angle triangle is there, this is your 90-degree angle, and opposite of 90-degree angle side is there, that side is called as hypotenuse side, and one another side is given, and with the help of that another side and hypotenuse side and given included one angle, we can easily draw the triangle. So students, today we have learned to construct a triangle given two angles and included one side, and next to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. Now it's your homework. You have to solve practice set 4 and practice set 5 with yourself. Okay now, and please send the photos, because only some students are sending their photos of their homework, so we cannot able to understand that you can understand whatever things we have teach in the video or not. So please send the photos. You have to solve your practice set 4 and 5. In our next video we have seen our practice set 6 and practice set 7. It means we can completed our chapter number 1. Okay, thank you.